how to order via Grab Food. So this is your app, and then it's the same app where you use your Grab car. So you just click on food like that, and then it's gonna locate or search for your location, and then most of the restaurants that you have on the list, you will see that it is within your close proximity. Well, hindi man siya super close, but all of the available restaurants there are the ones nga nearest you. So for today, Scarlett, we are going to order via Fat Choy Chinese Kitchen, which is at Villa Angela, East Walk. There's Fat Choy at East Walk. Wala pa man na Fat Choy. Okay. So now that we've chosen the restaurant, we're going to choose kunaton kanon basically. So we're gonna do fried siomai, then add to basket. Quail egg siomai, add to basket. And then ano pa to ganiton order ron? Pansit noodles. So we're gonna try the Fat Choice special choice of serving. Regular, okay. Alright, tapos lomi, isa. Okay, so this is the thing bala with Grab Food. Kaya diba sang last, may ara ka mo, nga, if hindi ka mag-rice, hindi siya mag-green. So this is the case with the lomi. I don't get why may rice ang lomi, pero according to Miss Jo, ang himoon mo kuno is mas special instructions ka. Do not include rice, and then confirm, then add to basket, and then lastly we're gonna do botchi, so tatlo kabilog. Okay, so now we have 7 items on the menu. So we're gonna view basket. Let's see, we're gonna review all of the things inside our cart. Then the delivery fee is, because it's lapit lang, it's 939 pesos. And we're gonna do a promo code. So dapat tabunan, tanigali ang code. Okay. If you have a promo code bala from Grab, you can get discounts or free delivery. So 762 tricks ang total. Okay, and then place order like so. Help your driver find you. So I think it's easier man kay may map. So skip and continue, and then Grab Food is going to find a driver for us. Okay, so diri kita na yon sa may east. Oy. Driver on the way to process Grab order at Fat Choy. Oh, there we go. So our driver for today is Michael Vincent. Okay. So here you're gonna see how long the food will take. And then who your driver is, kung ano nga motor ang ginamaneho niya, and then all of your orders plus your promo code and your delivery fee. So that's it. So I'm gonna check back in a couple of minutes kung ara na si Manong Grab. So they're still processing our orders, so I'll be right back in a few minutes. Guys, so I have Scarlett with me today. But anyway, so Grab actually updates you kung di na yung mga drivers. So right now, it says here that our driver just arrived at the restaurant. Kaya gina-process yan na mga orders. So isn't that nice? So what we're gonna do is just wait for Manong driver to arrive, and then we're gonna eat. Okay? Again. Our food is here. So these are from All of these are from Fat Choice. So we have the crispy noodles with, I forgot, but it's the Fat Choice special with crispy noodles, and then the lomi, and then the mochi. I'm excited to try that. And then the dim sum. So our food arrived in one piece, and it was very quick. And this is one of the reasons why I like Grab Food, because they can bring you food if you don't have time, and you know exactly when the food is going to arrive. So this is it.